Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the monitor and selecting the correct input. This ensures the on-screen display will reflect your active source. Press the front button or joystick to open the OSD and navigate to settings. This is where adjustments live. If you prefer mouse control, open Acer display widget on your PC once connected. It mirrors many OSD options. Doing this first saves time because changes apply to the visible image immediately, and you avoid toggling cables mid-adjustment. Once inside the image menu, set brightness to match ambient light. Aim near 120 CD per square meter for offices. Then tweak contrast so highlights aren't clipped. Next, adjust black level to reveal shadow detail without raising noise. Small moves matter. For color, choose a preset like sRGB for standard work, or manually change RGB channels for warmer or cooler tones. If you need accuracy, connect a colorimeter and run a calibration. It locks in consistent results across applications and time. Finish by tuning sharpness and overdrive for text clarity and motion handling, because aggressive overdrive can create artifacts. Save your custom profile in the OSD or via Acer software so you can recall it quickly. Once saved, double-check color across typical apps. If changes don't apply, make sure OSD lock is off, try factory reset, or test with another computer and cable. If the OSD remains inaccessible, contact support after confirming power and internal menu access. That rules out hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.